The Zimbabwean opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has strongly criticized the country's leadership for its failure to address pressing national issues, particularly the environmental crisis. Sanamira mashoko amudai panapa aitaurwa Nelson Chamisa anokriticize the current leadership achiti aiwa muri kukonawo basa hamusi kugona kuita zvamakapindira in office. Sanapinda mashoko amudai kwa panapa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tinazimu aya mudai kwa mchinzi. Chamisa has repeatedly called for a more responsible and inclusive approach to governance, one that recognizes the role of every citizen in shaping the nation's future. Speaking to his supporters and the public on Sunday, Chamisa took to social media to highlight the importance of environmental stewardship, urging Zimbabweans to contribute to building a sustainable and prosperous nation. Make Zimbabwe green. Remember to care of the environment. Contribute to building a great Zimbabwe, he posted, using the hashtag to emphasize the message of environmental responsibility. Chamisa's comments underscore a broader concern about the government's neglect of critical environmental issues that are affecting the country's natural resources. From deforestation to pollution, Zimbabwe's environment faces numerous challenges, many of which have been exacerbated by poor leadership and lack of adequate policy measures. Though mashoko anomudai toko panapa Advocate Nelson Chamisa achiti aiwa the current leadership is ignoring aiwa environment kuti aiwa inofanira kumaendenewa. Tichiona kuti aiwa they cut down the trees without replacing. Tinoona kuti kuma mines vanongodhiga vachingosiya makombo akangodaro anowana harm kuma citizens. Tichiona lives of individuals achitorwa mumakomba ikoko. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.